Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today, we're going to chat about something super cool. Being thankful and showing gratitude. It's like this big quality we're into, and it makes life way better. So, let's break it down. You know how sometimes you wake up and it's a brand new day? Well, you can be thankful for that. Just being alive and breathing is a big deal. Not everyone gets that chance every day, you know? Now, we've got this word we use, katan. It's like remembering and appreciating all the good stuff people do for us. Like, think about your breakfast. Someone probably made that for you, right? It could be your mom, dad, or a friend. So say thanks. It's like giving them a high five for making your day better. But here's the cool part. You can be thankful for everything. Your computer, the roads you walk on, even the people who challenge you. Yeah, I know, it sounds a bit wild, but tough times and tricky people make life interesting. They give us stories to tell, you know. So, every morning, take a sec to say thanks. Thanks for the good stuff, the not so good stuff, and all the people in your life. It's like planting seeds of positivity that make your days way cooler. Keep it in mind, and let's practice this awesome quality of gratitude. Catch you later, folks.